刚去全联买了古娃娃的冰棒，我觉得还不错吃。今天是礼拜一，买了麻古的杨枝甘露，才买了一些食材要帮 Ellen 带便当。
I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. And maybe I'll just cry a little less. The tension headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering. So do you mind if we rewind? 'Cause my mind's on other things, but I'm not sure you'd find them interesting. And maybe I should practice how I feel, instead of trying to reinvent the wheel. I know I overcomplicate, but simplicity's surreal. It doesn't seem to me too big a deal. I'm sorry if this all feels like a game. Maybe this whole quarantine's to blame. And I don't know if you still love me, but I still feel the same. For what it's worth, that's how I feel today. So will I float like leaves do in the wind? Or will I sink as soon as I jump in? For sure my feet will touch the ground, but I can't swim. And I'm not sure it matters in the end. I know that I should practice what I preach, but telling you the truth is hard for me. So Jesus, could you help me out? 'Cause I'm bursting at the seams. I guess I'll never know what's good for me.
这是今天的早午餐，我每次这样倒都会倒出来。现在在看的是婚词离曲。
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me, if you want it, baby. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us. Yeah, you wanted honesty.
My heart is an open book I want for you to read. Filled up with empathetic love and curiosity. Tell me, why do you always hide yourself away? And darling, I think you're so much more than just a pretty face.
今天早午餐想要吃法式吐司，这是刚刚气炸的一些蔬菜。今天想要和大家介绍我最喜欢的7支口红。第一支是 Giorgio Armani 的，色号是205。第二支的色号是206。我买的是精巧珍藏3件组，这3个颜色都是很热门的颜色。第三支是色号405。再来这一支是3CE 的 Giving Pleasure， 它也是偏橘色调的口红。这一支是3CE 的 Tiny Red， 它非常的橘。再来这一支是3CE 的 Top， 它是暗红色。最后一支是 MAC 的 Mara Cashmere， 它是 MAC 的主打色。这一支呢，它不是口红，它是3CE 的眼影蜜。现在要来做司康，我用的是高筋面粉。
You're a masterpiece. My clothes look real good on your t-shirt with the rainbow stripe. And our time is a luxury. Oh, so sweet your company. Let's get each other up to speed. I can see the vista of your heels, man, that silhouette up on the still. Dolly brush stroke with the canvas gel. Gotta let the paint dry. Bourbon make us feel fine. Body heat make the skin cry. Baby, babe, it's a good night when we wake up still on the bedside. Da 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 da. Pillow talks a symphony. Souls connect so physically. Yeah. Da 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 da. Come to shine like laser beams. Wanna feel your energy, yeah. I'm hearing you songs. Your voice leading the choir to sing. She lays beside me, I feel her breath. She whispers softly, never leave this bed. I don't wanna lose you or forget, 'cause this is more than a moment. I don't wanna be broken. So come on baby, hold me. Let me be the one. I'll try to be deserving. I promise not to run, and I'll try to say what's on my mind. 'Cause baby, I need you. Do you need me too?
closer. You kiss my neck, tracing my fingers. That's when she said, I don't wanna lose you or forget, 'cause this is more than a moment. I don't wanna be broken. So come on baby, hold me, let me be the one. I'll try to be deserving